Hello everyone. Today, we're tackling a common issue, problems logging into your Huawei E5576-320 router. We'll cover some simple steps to get you back online and managing your router settings in no time. Let's dive in. First, the most basic thing, check your connection. Make sure your device, whether it's a phone, tablet, or computer, is actually connected to the Huawei E5576-320's Wi-Fi network. Look for the Wi-Fi name and ensure you're connected to the correct one. If you're connected, try forgetting the network and reconnecting. This can often resolve minor connection glitches. Next, verify the IP address. The default IP address for accessing the router's settings is usually 192.168.8.1. Open your web browser and carefully type this address into the address bar, not the search bar. Double-check for any typos. If this address doesn't work, consult the router's documentation or the label on the device itself. Sometimes the IP address is printed there. Then, check for typos in the username and password. The default username and password are often admin. However, your service provider might have changed these credentials. Again, check the router's documentation. If you've changed the password and forgotten it, you might need to reset the router to its factory settings. Before you do this, try common passwords like password or your Wi-Fi password. If you have to reset the router, locate the reset button. It's usually a small recessed button on the back or bottom of the router. Use a paperclip or a similar object to press and hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the router restarts. Be aware that resetting the router will erase all your custom settings, including your Wi-Fi password and any port forwarding rules. After the reset, try logging in with the default username and password. If you still can't access the router settings, try clearing your browser's cache and cookies. Sometimes, old data stored in your browser can interfere with the login process. Clear your browser's history and try again. Also, try using a different web browser. It's possible that your current browser has some compatibility issues. If all else fails, contact your internet service provider. They can provide you with the correct login credentials or help you troubleshoot further. They might also have a specialized tool to assist. Remember to keep your router's firmware updated. Firmware updates often include bug fixes and security improvements. You can usually find the firmware update option in the router's settings once you're logged in. That covers the basic troubleshooting steps. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe to support the channel. Also, consider leaving a comment if you have any questions or other router issues you'd like us to address in future videos. Your support helps us create more content like this.